An Air India flight which was on its way to Moscow returned midway to Delhi after the ground team realized that the pilot had tested positive for the coronavirus. The crew has been quarantined and another plane will be sent to Moscow to bring back Indians. Pilots are tested for coronavirus before they are allowed to fly. At least 2 persons working at the headquarters of the Union Ministry of External Affairs in the national capital have tested COVID-19 positive on Saturday. Reports quoting sources say that a consultant working for the ministry's Central Europe division and an officer of the law division have tested COVID-19 positive. Other staff who came into contact with these 2 employees have been asked to go on home quarantine for a fortnight and work from home. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that a permanent lockdown was not feasible and that the capital was 4 steps ahead of the virus even as Delhi sees a continuous rise in cases after watering down restrictions over the last 2 phases of the lockdown. Kejriwal said life has to carry on with the coronavirus with all precautions. He also said that most people are recovering and they are recovering at home, so there is no need to panic. The Karnataka government Saturday said that there would be no Sunday curfew in the state this week and that services would continue between 7 am and 7 pm. According to an order issued by the State Chief Secretary T.M. Vijay Bhaskar, the curfew was withdrawn after requests by the public. Following the order, officials said Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation buses would run tomorrow. At least 3,500 buses will be in service. Chennai Metro has innovated and built a foot-operated lift that will help towards contactless operations to check the spread of the coronavirus. For now, Chennai Metro Rail Limited has installed the foot-operated lift in its headquarters in Coimbatore. Once the optimal solution is formed, CMRL plans to implement this system in all the lifts at its metro stations. As Lockdown 4 expires tomorrow, states may enter a further relaxed period of lockdown. States will likely be able to decide on permitting malls, restaurants to function and the reopening of places of worship, but no religious events or gatherings will be allowed. Places of entertainment or dining will also have to follow strict social distancing. Curbs are also likely to continue in containment zones. On the first anniversary of the Modi government's second tenure, Congress called it a year of disappointment, disastrous management and diabolical pain. Congress leader K.C. Venugopal said that 6 years of the Modi dispensation have seen fraying of bonds of empathy. Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala said that at the end of 6 years, it appears the Modi government is at war with its people. Surjewala also demanded that a virtual session of parliament be convened immediately.